Rachel, welcome back to my channel. Let me grab what we are going to do today. Oh, sorry about that. It is Vlogmas day 12, and as I said in Vlogmas day 11, I'm actually taping this a day early because I have way too much going on today. This is the long-awaited Stitch Fix that I have had and I keep forgetting to do, and we're going to unbox it together. And then I'm going to do a little try on for you guys. I'm kind of in between cleaning, so don't mind the mess. We have a party that is going to be happening, and I am trying to like scrub the house from top to bottom, and yeah. So anyway, I decided I'd take a little break and film this box. So I have had Stitch Fix for about 5 years. This is my 50, let me see, I can't even remember now, it's been so many, 53rd, 52nd, okay, whew. This is a pricey one. Alright, so basically when you get Stitch Fix, it's a $20 styling fee unless you have the Style Pass, which they offer to certain people. You open it up, and there is this lovely little packaging, and I'm actually going to fully unpackage this for you guys because I haven't had time to get into this. But they always send you a style card that kind of shows you what is on your, what you're going to get and how you style it. And then they send you this lovely little thing that tells you the price count. This whole thing comes out to be quite a lot. It comes out to be $508. Now, I did do a lot of add-ons. Add-ons are things that you can do that don't count towards, so basically they send you 5 items. If you keep all 5, you get a 25% discount. If you don't, then you need to do the math and decide, is it cheaper to send them back, or is it cheaper to keep them if you decide you're going to keep a couple items. They have add-ons that are things like socks, shapewear, underwear, all that kind of stuff. Sometimes I add them, sometimes I don't. They got a bunch of new ones in stock, so I got a bunch of add-ons here. So you get a stylist who works with you, and as they get to know you, they basically, you know, as they get to know you, they start to do a lot of stuff here. So I have had the same stylist forever and ever and ever, and I love them. And it's Christian, and I crack up because in my last video I said, I don't know if Christian's a girl or a boy, but whoever, they do a great job. And they wrote on their note here, by the way, I'm female. I get that question a lot from clients. Oh, that's why she watched my YouTube reveal. Oh, that's awesome. So I posted these onto my board, so that's really freaking awesome. So yay, she gets to see how things look on me. That's fabulous. So there you go. If you make a video, post it on your Pinterest board, and your stylist will get a really good idea of how things fit and wear on you. So yeah, anyway, she sent me an olive brand jeans. Ooh, olive brand jeans. Okay, sorry, I'm getting very like all over the place here. Let's get into this. I apologize if there's a lot of noise. Try to make this not so noisy. So let me just get the little sushi roll of fun here. Here we go. This is the sushi roll of fun. They always beautifully package their stuff. All right, let's see what's in here. Sorry, that was a little noisy. This is what my stuff looks like. So I've got a nice variety of stuff here. Let me get my price thing out here so that I can go over them a little bit, and then at the end I will pause and try them on so you guys can see what it looks like on me. So the first one is the Daniel Rain, I think this is it, Daniel Rain Marielle off the shoulder knit top. Now this is really exciting. I've always wanted off the knit tops, off the shoulder tops. So this is what it looks like. It is a floral pattern. It is black. This feels very wintry. I love Daniel Rain tops in general. I find that they're very nice. And it has these little ties here. And yeah, that's really cute. So we'll see. I've never seen how these look on me, so I'm curious. This feels like it's cotton. Let me see if this is cotton. No, it's rayon and spandex, but that's okay. Lying dry. wash cold. So hey, it's machine washable, which is always good in my book. So this item here is $64 and it has like a nice stretch to it. So I'm curious how that's going to feel. All right, next item here is the Cosmic Blue Love Haley button down top. So plaid has been really in, and I will be honest, I'm an absolute fan of plaid. I wear it like crazy. It kind of brings me back to my 90s high school days. So this is in a medium. This is really pretty. I have a black and white one. I don't have a blue one, and I have a red one. So this is kind of nice to get a blue. It's like a dark blue with a light blue pattern in there. Button down. It looks like it's going to be long enough. This one is medium and it's $68. So you can see here it's a little lighter, which I actually kind of like, just because, you know, the weather can be a little bit hot here. So this is do not tumble dry, hang to dry. Again, so this is another like wash and then hang to dry, but we'll see. This looks really, really promising. Beautiful. Next item here is the Layla Jade Tony side slit duster cardigan in gray, and it's a medium. I love me some gray. I think gray is pretty. Of note, she was noting in my last video, I love an olive color. Obviously, I am wearing olive today. I just love green colors. I don't know why. I love purple and green. Ooh, this is really cute. Okay, guys. Nothing says winter like a cute, snuggly cardigan. This thing is awesome. It looks like it's going to be nice and long. It's lightweight, but I have lots of gray cardigans, but I don't have one that has like this darker black pattern to it. I really like this. I could probably endlessly take gray cardigans and be very happy. So this one is only $58, and it also has a little bit of stretch to it. All right, next item here is the 41 Hawthorne Tula mixed material knit top in black. Ooh, let's see. This is interesting. So the mixed material is in the back here, so you can see it's kind of more this rayon feel. I think that's rayon. Let's see. And then it's got more of like a knit feel in the bottom. Yep, 48% rayon, 48% polyester, and 4% spandex. So this has got like a more stiff on the top, and then the bottom is more of like a stretchy spandexy. So that's what it looks like. This is like your good basic top here. This is really nice. Yeah, I'm kind of excited about this. I know, boring, black, but I love these kind of things. And then the final thing here is the coup de grace. This is the most expensive item. This is $88. This is the J brand jeans, sateen skinny jeans in size 10 or 30. I don't know about the height. These look like these are going to be more ankle on me, but these are really, 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 really pretty. I don't think I've actually ever tried this brand, but look, guys, they stretch already. We're off to a good start. Let me see. Super mid-rise, super skinny, 27-inch seam. Theoretically, this may or may not work. These are going to probably be more ankle on me. I wonder if she says... I'm hoping she said that this length will be long enough for you. So let's see. I think these are going to hit on a skinny on the ankle. So we'll see. But these are really a beautiful color. I like the feel of them. And yeah. So anyway, guys, I'm going to pause. I'm going to put some of these on. I'm going to probably move to a different part of my closet because my closet looks like it's about to explode, and show you guys what these look like. So hold on. Okay, guys, actually, before I go try on, I forgot to show you guys my add-ons. These are, I got some shapewear. So this is a shapewear cami. I don't know about this, but this is what it looks like. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to try this on without messing up the thing, but I wanted something that kind of shaped me on top. This is the Free People Off-White Razorback. I have a blue one and a black one. Gray one. But I thought the white one would be good. These are great for some of my dresses that need like a nice bra underneath, and I don't mind showing the details. These are really cute. If you're large busted, these are not going to work, but for someone like me that does not have a lot on top, it's not bad. I thought I would give the Oikol La Femme underwear t-shirt bra. So they had the other bra, which didn't work so well for me, so I thought I would try. This one looked a little bit different, so I thought I'd give it a try and see how it fits. I will probably not try these on in the video, obviously. I'll let you guys know. If you're curious how these fit, just ask me. I'll kind of elaborate in the comments. And then this was the Waykall red carpet strapless bra, which is funny because it has straps. But if you see here, it's hard to see on camera. It's got these like things that'll make it stick more like a strapless. I needed a good strapless. My last strapless was gone. I don't know though. This looks a little bit big. This is supposed to be a 36B, and the cup size looks pretty huge to me. So I may have to go down to like a 36A or a 38A. I don't know. Anyway, okay, I'm going to pause, come back, try some stuff on. I'm going to try the add-on stuff later, not for the video. So, all right, guys, here I am back. I'm in my videotaping where I keep hitting the wrong button and then it pops me out of the video. Anyway, here is the off-the-shoulder shirt. It is actually really cute. I'm going to show you guys in the bathroom mirror what it looks like. So, very cute. Yeah, I actually really like this. I like off the shoulder. I don't have super broad shoulders, so I feel like off the shoulder kind of balances out my hips and makes me look very balanced on top and bottom. So I'm also wearing the pants, which, guys, the color is gorgeous. But I'm going to show you here, so don't mind that this is going to go weird. The length is very short, just what I thought. It was going to be more of an ankle. These are definitely... show you the length here. These are definitely ankle ones. I don't absolutely hate that. I actually wear a lot of ankle, but I'm gonna have to think about this on whether to keep them for the price. But oh, they're so comfy and they look so good other than that. And I do like ankle jeans, but these are definitely like ankle jeans. So unfortunately, 27-inch seam is probably about 3 inches too short on these. Even when they relax out, they're still going to be about 2 inches too short. But for an ankle one, they're not horrible, or like a mid-cap capri type thing. So I'll think about it. But everything else about them are just adorable. I love that they have that stretch. I love that they're mid-rise. I love the color. I love the feel of the fabric. So I'm going to pause, hopefully not screw this up again, and I'm going to try on the other items. All right, guys, back to the second. This is the mixed material top. I'm going to show you again in the mirror here. Now the pants are kind of hitting in a weird spot here. Yeah, so it's kind of, I probably would wear different pants with this, although the green color and the black go well. But I do like this shirt. I think this is a very flattering shirt that I could see myself wearing daily. I love how long it is. Like with a pair of leggings, this actually would go really well. The mixed material feels a little bit tight in the back, but yeah, no, this is nice. I actually do like this, and I probably will keep this item. So let's try the, ooh, hold on. I'm going to pause and put the sweater on. All right, yeah, this is cute. I am a sucker for these types of sweaters. It's lightweight, it's long. It's just, yeah, this is something I would find myself wearing on a daily basis. So yeah, I like this sweater. I kind of knew I was gonna like the cardigan. It is my thing. Okay, so I'm gonna pause, do the button-up shirt, and then give you guys my final thoughts. All right, last shirt here. This is the plaid. It actually is really cute. Interestingly enough, like the way this fits me, I would actually want to tuck it in. I'm not a big tuck in my shirt kind of person, but this shirt in particular actually looks better tucked in. It just runs a little bit tight right there at the very bottom, and where the last button is, it just kind of, like, sometimes I'll leave that last button undone and let the shirt tails kind of hang out. I don't think that would work so much with this look, but the color is beautiful and I really like it on me, and I like how lightweight this is, and I feel very, like, I don't know, chic, mom chic. Yeah, so very nice. Okay, let me get back into my last outfit that I have been wearing before this and go over my thoughts. All right, guys, I'm just gonna give my thoughts here at the bathroom. I don't feel like going back in where I was taping before. Anyway, I really liked this fix, and all the shirts looked fabulous. They all fit me really nicely. The pants, the only thing that I'm gonna hang up on is the fact that the inseam was a bit too short. And so, yes, they're supposed to be regular pants, but that has not stopped me from buying regular pants and wearing them like ankle pants or ankle capri type pants, and they did look really good, and I love the color. I'm gonna have to do a little thought on it because they're pretty expensive. They're $188, so I want to make sure that I am okay with that and that I'll actually reach for them to pay that kind of money. And I have to do a little thinking on the add-ons, which I'm going to try on here in a little bit. But anyway, as always, guys, thank you for watching. I'm super pumped that my stylist watched my video. Hopefully they'll watch this one too. So anyway, hi Christian, if you're watching, thank you for the awesome fix. And yeah, everybody give me a thumbs up, you know, subscribe and tell me what you think. All right, bye.